Hello and welcome to the Forum. Every week, we take no more than 15 minutes to discuss the 3 highest conviction ideas surfaced across the Smartkarma network, cutting through the noise and helping you zero in on what truly matters most. The live forum and Q&A session are exclusively available to Smartkarma Plus subscribers. You can always revisit previous episodes on this YouTube channel. Without further ado, let's dive into this week's ideas.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Smartkarma Forum. The Forum is a high-impact weekly live webinar exclusive for Smartkarma Plus subscribers, where we use the forum to discuss the best, highest conviction insights surfaced across the Smartkarma network. The forum is meant purely for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. It is the opinion not of Smartkarma, but that of our insight providers, and Chatham House rule applies. At the end of every week, we take video recordings of the forum and convert them into very short bite-sized pieces and upload them onto our YouTube channel to make it easy for you to revisit ideas at your own time and pace. This also makes it easier for you to share these ideas with your friends and get their feedback. And every week, we try to bring you a range of ideas from large caps, small and mid caps, as well as core thematics. Today, we'll begin by looking at JD.com. We will then move on to Whitehaven Coal and finish off with a look at U.S. banks. Let's begin with JD.com. The ticker is 9618HK, and this is covered by Ming Lu on the Smartkarma platform. JD.com is an online direct sales company in China. JD's revenue growth rate reached its historical low in 2022, but Ming Lu believes it will recover in the following 2 years. JD's operating margin hit its historical high in 2022, but Ming Lu believes the improvements will continue. Ming Lu also believes that earnings per share will grow by more than 100% in 2022, and the stock has an upside of 42%. Next, we have Whitehaven Coal. The ticker is WHCAU. This is covered by Samir Taneja on the Smartkarma platform. Whitehaven Coal mines and sells metallurgical and thermal coals to global steel, power generation, and metallurgical industries. Armed with a war chest of 2.47 billion Australian dollars, which is about 35% market cap, they are to purchase around 25% of outstanding shares on top of the 10% it completed from last year's buyback. Estimated to be trading at 2.2 times PE for 2023, the stock is extremely cheap. Samir estimates a conservative dividend yield of about 9% for 2023 and about 6% for 2024, assuming 20% dividend-only payout ratio. Lastly, we take a look at U.S. banks. This is an insight covered by Daniel Tabush on the Smartkarma platform. U.S. banks face more than just Silicon Valley risk, namely with net interest income. Credit costs are also running substantially higher in January monthly data. Bank loan data suggests a strong economy, not overly positive for rates. The risk now is that banks' interest expense growth is so high. It results in an actual lessening of the growth rate in net interest income for the first or second quarter of 2023, or both. If you found the forum useful but have follow-up questions, please feel free to continue the conversation on Smartkarma. We hope to speak to you next week. Until then, all the best and goodbye.
That's it for this week. You can find more ideas like the ones we discussed today on demand on our YouTube channel. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification button. If you like these ideas, spread the word. Tell a fellow investor about Smartkarma Plus and follow us on social media. Just search for Smartkarma. And of course, don't forget to visit smartkarma.com for more independent, differentiated investment insights. Thanks for watching and see you next week.